Hey, Haven friends. It's Friday night. Yay, Friday, whoop, whoop. I was going to make a microwave dish tonight, and I thought, well, I'll come on and just touch base with all of you, let you see what I'm doing, because it's so simple and easy and healthy and in the microwave. I'm going to be using my magic pot, which we always love. It's our stone bakeware. And so basically what you're going to do is get a microwave friendly dish. You're going to put some of your cut up onions, red onions, some, I think I have some scallions as well. And I also have my cool and serve with all my veggies. So I'm just going to be pulling all of that over. So I'm kind of like using up a little bit of leftovers from the week. I don't like to waste. Hi, Marcia. Happy Friday night. So I'm just making the vegetable portion of our enchilada casserole. All right, so we got our veggies, and I'm gonna add some of the tomatoes that I like, wherever I had put them. I don't have quite fresh tomatoes yet, but Lord willing, I will. There, I've got a couple on the vine, so I just used something that's pre-made at the grocery store. And I'm going to use our microwave cover so that there's not a ton of splatter. So this is our microwave cover, which is kind of neat, and it folds up on itself so you can store it in a cabinet next to the microwave. So I am just going to cook up my veggies. I think I'm going to do more veggies. I'm like a veggie queen. More veggies. And these cool and serves are really neat because they obviously make things easier. So I chop things up, and it's got like this little plate inside, so your fruit and veggies aren't sitting in their own juices and get mucky and sloppy. And then there's also a vented hole here, so it can breathe and not get too mushy. All right, so I think this will be enough for my veggies. Actually, no, it's not enough. I'm gonna put some fresh garlic. Gotta have fresh garlic, man. So I have my garlic bulbs, and I'm sure many of you have the garlic press. If not, you gotta have a garlic press. So I got my bulbs. And you just swipe away. Oh boy, that was a good one. And last one. We're gonna have smelly breath tomorrow. Oh well. And I think I'm just gonna add a little dollop of mixture, water. And I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. I think I'm just gonna soften it up for like 5 minutes or so and check it. I'll be right back. Okay. It's so nice not to have to put the oven on, isn't it? And to use your leftovers. Okay, so the next part is building our base. Excuse me. So actually I think I'm gonna do some olive oil. Just to make it easier when you're serving. This is our nice silicone pastry brush, which is instrumental for when I do baklava for the holidays. Okay, so you're just gonna take your enchilada dough, I guess is your tortilla dough. I don't know what you call them. I think I'm gonna do half of one here. Okay, and then I have some leftover cooked turkey meat that I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna sprinkle some on the bottom. Hope everybody's having a good summer. I'm having a very fun summer, very social. I love it. Okay, and then I think it calls for some black beans. So I'm just gonna open up a can of black beans, if this will cooperate. Of course not. Why would that not? Why would that cooperate? There we go. There we go. Pour off some of the juices. And add more protein, some black beans. I think it's like a carbohydrate protein, maybe. I can smell the veggies. Okay, I think I'm gonna take the veggies out. I wish there was smell-o-vision. And then just gonna layer your veggies all over. And then I'm gonna do some cheese. Peter's hungry, so I thought, well, let me get on and cook with my friends. I love cooking with you guys. I'm a little sweaty, just kind of, mucky. We just came in from a walk. And our Pampered Chef cheese grater, so you can get some yummy fresh cheese in there. Okay. And then I like to sprinkle a little bit of taco seasoning, not too much. Because I like to taste the veggies. And then I like to add some corn chips in a layer. So I'm just gonna crunch it up. So there's going to be a little bit of a crunch to it, which is kind of like a little bit of a surprise. And this is a very cost-effective meal, I think, you know, because I'm reusing a lot of my food, so I'm not wasting and throwing stuff out. Okay, so it's kind of like a lasagna. You just keep going. So the tortilla. Excuse me. Do some of the leftover meat. Turkey meat, whatever, hamburger meat. This is gonna last us for at least 2 meals. That's another thing that I really like is when a meal will serve 2 nights worth, so I don't have to cook. Okay, and let's grab some more black beans. I mean, you can get very creative if you have guacamole. I would probably add guacamole, not guacamole, avocados. But I don't have any avocados, but that would really be a nice taste. Or make a guacamole and add it. Okay. Now, some more of our nice veggies. This is a Pampered Chef tool, which is kind of cool too, because you can use it as a whisk. There's like a little button to lock it, and you can whisk, and then you can also use it at like tongs. Forget the name of it, but it's in the on my website. All right, there's a lot of juice in here. I really don't want to make it soggy. No sogginess, please. You know what, Helena? Yeah, use this guy. There you go. Okay. And we're gonna add a little bit of taco seasoning. This is looking delicious. It smells really good. What am I doing now? Chips. Okay. And then, let's do some cheese. And I think I'm not going to put a top layer on. I think I'm going to leave it like this. I'm just kind of winging it. But I will add some more chips. Not chips, Fritos. All right. Boy, oh boy. Isn't that nice? I'm so excited. Yeah, so I'm going to pop it. This is the deep covered baker. I'm going to pop it into the microwave. I think maybe like 7 minutes or so, because everything's already cooked. It's just a matter of heating it up. And then when I take it out, I'll show you guys. Okay. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.